to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Sophie, 7 years old.
Can I have
Happy
another?
birthday to you. And now look out. Get everything out of the way, sweetheart.
There you go. Look at all that fire. Wait. On your mark, set, blow. Keep blowing.
Good.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Did you make a wish? Oh, jeez. Uh-oh.
I can't blow it out.
Keep trying. Come on, keep trying. Sophie, keep trying. Oh my goodness, what's with the candles?
I don't know.
Try some more. What's wrong with the candles? They just won't go out. Sophie, come on.
I can't.
Oh, what? You don't have enough breath or something? What's up?
Mm. Yeah, maybe you got him.
Oh, they got it?
Yes.
You got it now? Sophie. Oh,
Coming back.
no. Oh, they're all coming back.
No.
Uh-oh.
That's better. No, just wait. Ah!
I know. Okay, so Anna, Sophie, you blow. Oh, that works, Anna. Smart girl.
That's very wise.
Smart girl you are.
Smoking alarm.
Let's see if any would come out.
I guess you put them in
Somebody
there.
stop.
Stop, let's see.
Hold on, I think that one's gonna.
No, let's see.
Maybe.
I think you got them all.
Think you finally got it.
Yay! Happy birthday, Sophie! Look at the camera, Soph.
Just make sure that it.
Go ahead. Soph, look at me.
Just be sure nobody else
There you
puts
go.
that near their mouth. Okay.